Hold position. We don't want to scare them.
Vehicle stopped, engine steady, everything under control.
Keep it steady, move slowly, don't rush them.
Guide the front one carefully, we're almost there.
Slow it down, we're close to the herd.
Stopping now. Keep the distance steady.
Watch the step, keep the balance right. It's moving in, hold the line steady.
We're clear of the jungle and maintain highway speed.
Load is stable and all animals are secure.
We're entering the facility. Keep everything ready inside.
Gate is clear and proceed slowly into the main unit.
Keep the line tight, don't let it turn sideways.
It's coming down steady, maintain control.
The truck has arrived and prepare for unloading.
All systems ready and guided to the loading zone.
Move slowly, keep the ballast steady.
Guide the front one carefully, bring it down safely.
Keep them moving in line and don't break the formation.
Control the back group and maintain equal spacing.
Weight is recorded, maintain the position steady.
Scan is running, health parameters look stable.
Move forward, keep the herd calm and steady. Everything is under control, and continue guiding them inside.
Teeth condition looks stable. You check for any damage. No visible decay. Structure is strong and healthy. Hold the position steady. Complete the dental scan.
All readings are normal. Proceed to next check. Scan cycle is smooth. Maintain current position. Data is accurate. Proceed to next buffalo.
Increase water pressure, ensure full surface cleaning.
Flow is stable and all units are washing perfectly.
Maintain clean cuts and keep the portions uniform.
Yes, the sections are consistent and ready for next stage.
Cut evenly, keep the thickness accurate.
All pieces are aligned, ready for the processing line.
Increase output speed, maintain uniform slicing.
Flow is stable and quality remains consistent.
Cutting precision is perfect and maintain this speed.
Output is consistent, ready for next processing stage.
Increase water pressure, ensure complete cleaning. Flow is stable and all surfaces are being washed properly. Cleaning cycle is active and maintain consistent flow.
All units are washed and ready for next stage.
Maintain steady heat, keep the drying uniform. Moisture level is dropping, process is perfectly controlled. Drying cycle is stable and maintain current settings.
All output is consistent, ready for packaging stage.
Drying cycle is stable and maintain current settings.
All output is consistent, ready for packaging stage.
Maintain the spice ratio and keep the coating even.
Mixing rotation is stable and distribution looks perfect.
Ensure even coating across all pieces and maintain consistency.
All batches are perfectly seasoned, ready for next stage.
Maintain the temperature, keep the cooking cycle stable.
Color and texture are perfect and proceed with output flow.
Cooking cycle is complete and maintain steady output rate.
All batches are evenly roasted, ready for packaging stage. Check the seal quality, ensure every pack is airtight.
All packages are secure and labeling is perfectly aligned.
Packaging speed is stable, maintain current settings.
Quality is consistent. All packs are ready for dispatch.
Ensure every carton is filled with exact quantity and sealed properly.
All boxes are aligned and ready for shipment with perfect quality.
Carton packing is complete and maintain stacking order for dispatch. All units are ready for loading and distribution.
Load the pallets carefully, maintain balance inside truck.
All shipments are aligned, ready for final dispatch.
Shipment is complete and secure the load for transport.
All trucks are ready and dispatch can proceed now.
Increase water pressure, ensure complete bone cleaning.
All residues are being removed and surface looks clear.
Cleaning cycle is stable and maintain consistent flow.
Bones are fully washed, ready for next stage. Maintain grinding pressure, ensure fine consistency.
Particle size is uniform and blending process is stable. Maintain grinding pressure, ensure fine consistency. Particle size is uniform and blending process is stable. Grinding cycle is stable and maintain current speed.
Output consistency is perfect, ready for next processing stage.
Maintain fine consistency, ensure no coarse particles remain.
Powder quality is perfect, ready for final stage.
Maintain fine consistency, ensure no coarse particles remain. Transfer the powder to tablet unit, maintain purity levels.
Next stage is ready, we can start capsule and supplement production.
Add fragrance slowly, maintain premium consistency. Texture is smooth and perfect for luxury soap base.
Stamping quality is perfect. Maintain this finish.
All soaps are premium, ready for packaging stage. Homogenization is stable, maintain this smooth consistency.
Final cream texture is perfect, ready for soap formulation stage.
Balance the milk and aloe ratio, keep the texture silky smooth.
Consistency is perfect and the blend looks premium and stable.
Homogenization is stable, maintain this smooth consistency.
Final cream texture is perfect, ready for soap formulation stage.
Maintain extrusion pressure, keep the shape uniform. Bars are forming perfectly, texture is smooth and premium.
Shape and finish are perfect. Maintain this standard.
All bars meet luxury quality, ready for packaging.